Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on or how to enable ransomware protection in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable ransomware protection in Windows 11 computer, go to search and type Windows Security. Now click on Windows Security. In left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down. Here you will find Ransomware Protection, and you will find also an option Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on it. Controlled Folder Access. Protect files, folders and memory areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. And now by default it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now click on yes. Now ransomware threat protection is turned on in my Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.